Amit, it looks like you have been a celebrity in the past few days, talk of the town. आणि if you go to see regarding to that Banastar incident or accident, किती exactly की तुमच्या एका साईडच्यान फोटो व्हायरल जाता. Time and again, somewhere somebody is trying to तुमचे link. किती exactly?
As far as celebrity is concerned, I have been celebrity all throughout. I always believed that I was a celebrity. But any which way, jokes apart. BJPचं मध्ये एक IT सेल असा, एक 10 जाणांचो ग्रुप असा. दे हॅव ऑलवेज सर्वायव्ड ऑन फटिंगपणां. BJP म्हणटा पळय हे फटिंगपणाचेर आपली पॉलिटिकल गेन्स करता. ते मागीर लोकांचें मरण आसूं, काय वायट आसूं, बरें आसूं, कसलीय गोश्ट तांकां लागना. दे यूज इट to have political gains. This is a run for 2024 elections and 2027 elections. Obviously, when they fear somebody, they will always try to create something fake. This is nothing but a fake. Entire news which has been created is a fake news. तुवे दोन गोष्टी आयलो. एक लोकमतार आयलो न्यूज, एक टाइम्स ऑफ इंडियाचेर आयलो. And I think today I have read both the newspapers very categorically, clearly they have stated, especially Times of India, which news clippings they are making part of and making memes out of it. Ki I have nothing to do with so-called that dummy thing. Now, was a dummy driver the issue asa? I have seen the briefing of DYSP Shirodkar. I have seen briefing of PI Gowde. None of them have said that somebody tried to bring a dummy driver or tried to hush up the case. सो हे IT सेलाक किंवा ह्या न्यूजपेपरांक खंयच्यान कळ्ळें हो एक विशय आसा. वेन आय ट्रायड टू कॉन्टॅक्ट बोथ दीज न्यूजपेपर्स, दे सेड दॅट इट इज नॉट यू. देन हू इज इट? देन हाव दीस न्यूज? बट इट वॉज गेटिंग ग्लेरिंगली पॉइंटेड टुवर्ड्स मी बाय सेइंग दॅट पार्टीज लीडर हू इज अ लॉयर. नाव जस्ट दॅट फेक न्यूज हॅज बीन मेड इन टू अ स्टोरी बाय दीस BJP IT सेल. एंटायर फेसबूक जो आसा, सोशल मिडिया जे आसा किंवा व्हॉट्सएप ग्रुप्स आसा, हे प्रत्येक ग्रुप आसा ते BJPच्या कंट्रोलान जितले जितले आसा थंय तो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल करता, ते फोटो व्हायरल करता. वी हॅव सीन सर्टन पीपल लायक बिफोर एनीबडी कूड से एनीथिंग, ताच्या IT सेलाच्या मनशान नेम्ड मी इन देअर फेसबुक इन पोस्ट. देर इज वन मिस्टर शुभम पार्सेकर, there is one that Atish Tulsidas Shedgaonkar, and the group of entire IT cell were busy yesterday and day before yesterday making just fake things. And tanka to join jata after some time. My very good friend, whom all of you know and I don't want to name him, who is a B team of Goa, that also I just got to know. So हे fake काम करच्या पेक्षा ह्या लोकांनी एक बरें काम करपाक जाय. लोक थंय जे जमा जाता माजोळा, जे सांगता की इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन एक प्रॉपर लायनीन जावपाक जाय, जे सांगता की पोलीस खंय तरी हशअप करपाक सोदता केस, तांकां तांणी जॉयन जावपाक जाय लोकांक. आनी हो जो पर्टिक्युलर इन्सिडेंट आसा तो कंडेम करपाक जाय. ते करना BJP, IT सेल ते करना. बट जे काम ते बेस्ट करपाक शकता, फटींग प्रोफायल, फटींग मेम्स करप आनी न्यूज स्प्रेड करप, ते काम ते करपाक बसला. सो थँक यू टू देम दॅट they are trying to make me famous. Lot of people know me more than what they knew me in last 2 days. But one thing I want to tell people of Goa is that as Amit Palekar, as a lawyer Amit Palekar, as a leader of Aam Aadmi Party, I am condemning this incident. I am condemning the fact that such a thing should never happen. People should act responsibly. This incident is something that it cannot be pardoned. आणि म्हाका दिसता एज एवरी ह्युमन वी ऑल्सो नो फॉर अ फॅक्ट दॅट इनसेंट लायव्स गेल्या, ताजो खंयच पॉलिटिकल फायदो वचपाक जावपाक जायना आनी पॉलिटिकल फायदो घेवपाकय जायना, जो आज BJP घेवपाचो प्रयत्न करता. आय वॉन्ट टू आस्क, आय सेड इट द अदर डे एंड आय एम सेइंग इट अगेन वन्स अगेन, आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन टू PI Gowde, टू DYSP Ashish Shirodkar, to tell and ask them, where was this accused arrested? Where did you arrest him from? When did you find that driver, so-called dummy driver? Where did he come? Who got him there? हाजी प्रश्नाची उत्तरां म्हाका दिसता ते दिवपाक शकता तुमकां. कारण पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट जर सांगता तुमकां की एका तरेन आमी एक्युजडाक अरेस्ट केलो, जाल्यार ताजो तांचे कडेन प्रूफ आसपाक जाय. दी म्हणून सांग प्रूफ, खंयच्यान जालो, कसो जालो. दे सेड दॅट ही हॅज बीन अरेस्टेड फ्रॉम अ पर्टिक्युलर प्लेस. खंय मेळ्ळो? रस्त्यार मेळ्ळो. घरान मेळ्ळो कोणाच्या, खंय दारान मेळ्ळो कोणाच्या, हे सगळें सांगपाक जाय प्रश्नाची उतरां. आनी त्या प्रश्नाची जेन्ना उतरां तांचे कडल्यान तुमकां मेळटली तेन्ना यू वील बेटर नो दॅट दीस इज ऑल अ फेक थिंग वीच BJP IT cell tried to create. Nothing more to say as far as this is concerned.
Okay. So, but that photo which was getting viral,
Yeah.
which you were there in the party, I think so. So, what exactly?
म्हाका दिसता तुमी ह्या दोगांय जे आज ते दोनी एक एक्यूज आसा आनी ताची बायल आसा तांचे फाटले फोटो पळयत जाल्यार इन गोवा वी मीट एवरीबडी एवरी टायम वी आर फ्रेंड्स विथ इच अदर. Half of the politicians must have attended parties in their homes. Half of the police department must have attended parties with them. They must have attended parties with them. Does that make us guilty? Did we make them drink? फोटो आमचे घालप आनी आमच्या प्रायवसी बरोबर थंय बशिल्ल्या 20-25 जाणची फॅमिली आसा, तांची भुरगीं आसा, इट्स एक्चुअली अ क्रिमिनल एक्ट. बिकॉज तात्यान जी भुरगीं दिसता तांचे अगेन्स्ट तांचे फोटो व्हायरल करप इज अन एक्ट which is a crime under Children's Act also, because they are exposing them to something which they are not supposed to. So म्हाका दिसता पोलिसान तो फोटो खंयच्यान आयलो आनी कोणी कसो व्हायरल केला आनी हाव दे आर ट्रायंग टू कनेक्ट दॅट टू दीस क्रायम. दे हॅव टू इन्व्हेस्टिगेट दॅट पार्ट ऑफ इट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी पीपल इन दॅट फोटो, most decent people of Rotary, of Panjim, who have given so much to the society. कोविडाच्या टायमार आसूं किंवा ताच्या मागीर आसूं, गोवा सरकाराक एज फार एज आय नो देर आर मेडिकल इक्विपमेंट्स टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ 4 to 5 crores which have been given by just this group who are there part of that photographs. There are 2 past presidents in that photographs of Rotary clubs. रोटरीचे नाव पिड्यार कित्याक करता? रोटरी हो जो फाउंडेशन आसा, रोटरीचो जे ग्रुप्स आसा ते गोंयभर बरें काम करत आयल्यात. Just because of one incident, one person whose act is not pardonable at all, you are blaming everybody and you are posting pictures of my family, you are posting pictures of family of lot of people who are part of that picture. It's unfortunate that BJP is using personal lives of people to make gain of political nature and to create a perception about entire Rotary, entire people who are part of that photograph. And unfortunately, today I was very disturbed. I don't usually get disturbed in such a situation. Lawyer ताजो वेगळो, सगळे police department जे करता, there is somebody who's trying to hush up, find out the real person. Why DYSP has not taken certain actions in last 2-3 days? You find out why this has not happened. Criminal investigation करपाचें आशिल्लो. That particular DYSP he has a background. He has a background. So if these newspapers, Times of India or Lokmat, which are supposed to be one of the leading newspapers of Goa, made such a news without verifying and then retracted it yesterday, then unfortunately their credibility is lost today. And I put it to them that you have my numbers, you call us for so many other things, you could have called me. You are glaringly pointing towards a responsible lawyer, a president of a party, and then you are attributing something which somebody tells you, which no proof has. You please get that proof. तुमकां कोणी सांगला आसतलें? एक इन्व्हेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर, एक DYSP. ह्या दोगांय कडल्यान कितें तरी हाडा की अमित पालेकर इज द वन हू क्रिएटेड सम डमी. I don't even know about this dummy. Who is this dummy person? Yes, we know Mr. Savadekar. Yes, we know Mr. Kamath. Yes, we know so many others. हांव सीएमाकूय जाणा, सीएम म्हाका वळखता. अशें म्हणजे फाल्यां जर हांवें कितें रॉंग केलें किंवा सीएमान रॉंग केलें, हांव रिस्पॉन्सिबल? Everybody is responsible for their own actions. Ami as a group, we may have met in so many places. Does that make us culpable to this crime? Certainly not. म्हाका दिसता लोकांनी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी चिंतपाक जाय की कोणाचोय फोटो खंय कनेक्ट करून जेन्ना व्हायरल करता तेन्ना तांकां पर्सनली कितलो त्रास जाता आसतलो तो. नाव वी हॅव गॉट, ऑफकोर्स पीपल आर अवेअर वॉट द फॅक्ट इज, बट क्वेश्चन इज वाय वॉज दिस अलाउड? Why is the police allowing this type of thing? Doesn't it affect investigation in some form or the other? It does affect investigation process. Police should find out who created this false news. Police should call the reporters of both these newspapers and ask them who gave them this news, because this has to be exposed. If police were rushing up the case, why blame it on somebody? And why it cannot be from BJP? Somebody can be from BJP only. आज तांचो प्रोफाइल पळयत जाल्यार कितलेच लोक आसा ताजेर who are part and hardcore of BJP. So why blame somebody from the other party for the sake of blaming? It's unfortunate, as I said yesterday.
आनी एक इशू म्हणटा पळय एक नांव तुमचें तें कनेक्ट जाता गणेश म्हणून कितें नांव
कोण हो गणेश?
कोण एक्झॅक्टली आर यू
नो नो आय हॅव नेवर हर्ड ऑफ एनी पर्सन बाय
गणेश लमानी कितें नांव
ना रे बाबा हांवें केन्ना फर्स्ट टायम तुज्या तोंडांतल्यान आयकलां आय डोंट नो एनी गणेश
तितूंतल्यान कनेक्ट जाता तुमचे कडेन कनेक्ट नथींग लायक दॅट
No, no, I have never heard this name. So honestly, I won't be able to comment on who Ganesh is. But म्हाका दिसता ज्या तरेन इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल्लां it looks very shoddy. It looks very shoddy how it is, and I think if BJP is trying to put the blame on me and trying to hush up and cover up, then it is their responsibility. They should look at it because government is theirs. I cannot influence police. They are trying to say I was trying to influence police. Your police are influenceable. Then you please ask this question to Chief Minister of Goa, whose department can be influenced by opposition party's president. Then you have to look at yourself, not us. If we are able to manage police department according to BJP's IT cell, then please question your leader, question your CM, who is also the Home Minister, and question the department. I think that's what I can say. Thank you.